So here again, we are doing some simulations to check the equal variances and equal sample sizes of the groups, how the violation of the unequal sample sizes assumption works with ANOVA. So we have three distribution. One is normal, the other is normal with different unequal variances within the group, and the third one is gamma distribution, the highly skewed one, if you remember. So again, we use 1,000 simulated dataset, and we check the p-values from the ANOVA against the uniform distribution. So each group here has the same sample size. And what can you see now from this picture? If we have unequal variances, but same sample sizes for each group in ANOVA, will ANOVA still hold according to this picture that I'm showing? Can you take a guess, please? Yes, thank you. Yes, that's right. It will still hold if we have balanced ANOVA. Balanced means each group has equal sample size, okay? Now let's see what happens if sample sizes are unbalanced, or if we have different sample sizes. You can see here we have different sample sizes, 2, 6, 10, 12, 20, and so on. And again, the variances are unequal. So we can see that we have unbalanced case, ANOVA does not hold. Okay, so be aware of these assumptions.